Let's begin by introduction. This topic is very crucial to us organizations to reskill their employees because of the world of work is undergoing significant changes driven by rapidly evolving technologies, new business models, global economic disruptions, and changing workforce dynamics. And also, the skills that their employees have today might not be used or no longer important for the organization's productivity in the future. According to research from the World Economic Forum, over 1 billion jobs will be radically transformed by technology, and another study by McKinsey estimates that between 75 and 375 million workers globally may need to switch occupations or acquire new skills by 2030 due to automation and artificial intelligence. To conclude that as technology evolve and the world of work is undergoing significant changes, the organizations need to take actions immediately to reskill their employees for them to be prepared for any chaos or any changes in the future. Let's understand what is reskilling for resilience. Reskill for resilience is where the employees will be prepared to learn new things for a new role, adapt to changing circumstances, and develop a growth mindset. And these employees will be provide opportunities to acquire new skills and knowledge that are relevant to the evolving needs of the organizations and the broader industry. So the goal that organizations need to do is empower employees to remain competitive and adaptable in rapidly changing world of work. So what are types of initiative that we can give to reskill the employees? So the first one is training programs, workshop, online courses, mentorships, or any on-the-job learning experience. So these initiatives will help the organizations to reskill the employees to learn new things for a new role. Why the organizations need to reskill their employees? The first biggest why is because of rapid technology evolvement. As you can see the graph that I attached below, from the source of World Economic Forum, the technology trends driving business transformations 2025 till 2030, the highest percentage is AI and information processing technologies. So these technologies, rapid technological changes have created skill gaps, and also some of work or roles evolve or even disappear because of this technology. The second one is cost of talent shortage. So some of the organizations need to reskill their employees. So like firms redeploy internal talent quickly without spending more times for external recruitment, and also they can lowering hiring costs. And the last one is disruption risk. The example of disruption risk is cyber threats, natural disaster, internal operational risk, and external economic shocks. So some of organizations need to create continuity plans so that their business or their organizations can sustain in the market. So these three biggest why have turn to competitive advantage that I will explain in the next slide. When we talk about reskilling is not just training, it is a strategic business shield. So in these competitive advantages, um, we are not talking about being better, but we are talking about being faster. Reskilling allow the organizations for faster redeployment during disruption, reducing operational downtime. With this point in this points mentioned that if the organization provide the reskilling to their employees, they doesn't need to spend more time for external hiring because they are already trained their internal employees. And also this can cause lower net hiring cost and faster onboarding for priority roles, where when we have trained the internal employees, we can move them quickly for urgent roles that need at that time. And then The third point is improve innovation and time to market for new products or services. So, beyond efficiency, reskilling is organization's engine for innovation. By equipping the employees with the latest skills and knowledge, they can slash the time to market for new products. And the next one is higher retention and employee engagement, protecting institutional knowledge. So with reskilling, the employee will confident with the organizations and will stay longer and doesn't need to worry about their future because of these reskilling things. And also uh, the last one is better risk management. So, reskilling is a best defense for the organizations. We're building in-house capabilities in areas like cyber security and regulatory compliance, allow the organizations to manage risk perfectly and also proactively rather than reactively. In short, we are not just building a smarter organizations or workforce. We are building a more resilient, more profitable organization. This data from source of Deloitte Insights shows that the organizations that made yearly investment in resilience strategies can outperform their competition. So, as you can see here, in the midst of the pandemic, the numbers jumps to 34%, and 30% from 24% and 21% respectively, indicating that the events of 2020 because of COVID-19 pandemics have given some CXOs confidence boost about their organizations because of resilience strategies that they have made before. So, from the data of the World Economic Forum latest report, shows that AI and big data top the list, and we can notice that creative thinking and resilience are right there alongside them. This confirms that technical skills alone isn't enough, and we need cognitive flexibility. So, here a few recommendations. First, we must empower the workforce by making learning a daily habit, not a yearly event. And second, we need to equip our leaders so they are the ones who must inspire resilience when the market gets unstable. Third, we have to strengthen our internal talent system to be as agile as technology we use. And finally, we need to standardize how we define these future critical skills so we can skill them across the entire organizations. So the goal here is simple. By aligning our human capital with these 10 growth areas, we don't just survive technological change, but we lead it. Resilient is our new return of investment, ROI. So, for conclusion, in the modern, rapidly changing business environment, reskilling initiatives have become absolutely essential. They are no longer just a nice to have, but a fundamental requirement for ensuring organizational resilience and maintaining a strong competitive advantage. To thrive amidst constant disruption and technological advancement, companies must prioritize the continuous development of their employee skill by strategically investing in their workforce and actively treating human capital not just an expenses but as a powerful growth engine. And we can proactively secure the organization's future success and long-term viability. This forward-thinking approach to talent management enables us to adapt to new challenges, capitalize on emerging opportunities, and ultimately achieve sustained prosperity.